Welcome back everybody to another video, Beginner's Barbecue Outdoor. Today we're going to be using something so cool, so easy, the griddle egg ring from Blackstone. Makes it real easy. So let's fire up that Blackstone. Alright, we're here. So the ones we're going to be using are two of the square ones, two round ones. On the package that I bought at Walmart, it was 20 bucks. And I think it came with 4 of these and 4 of these. So, you do not need to do anything with these. You don't need to add no oil, nothing. Just out of the box. You can rinse them if you want, and they'll be good to go. So it's pretty simple. So, just put them down. That. Then rig. Oop. And this way, your eggs come out perfect. Like if you do over easy or sunny side up, this is perfect. Now you can go ahead and add. You can go ahead and add a little bit of ham and that one we just leave it like that. So I'm going to admit this, I was horrible doing over easy eggs inside the kitchen. I was horrible. You didn't even ask my wife. Horrible. It got better when I got the Blackstone. These, way better. Way better. So pretty much is what you do now. It just comes apart. That easy. Look at that. So now, flip. That one, sunny side up, I'll just leave it the way it is. But look how perfect they come out. It makes it so much easier using these rings. If you make a sandwich, it's already squared as a sandwich. You're good to go. But man, I love these. So these are ready to come out. So there it is. That easy. Now let's go inside and try it. Alright, we're back. It was easy peasy lemon squeezy. I'm gonna add a little bit of pepper. Everybody here likes pepper. So, you guys didn't see me put salt because I don't really add salt to the eggs. I've never have, probably never will. But if people do it, I'll still eat it. But I got used to eating it with no salt. So, let's give this one a try with the eggs, the ham and cheese. See, look at that. Look at this one with the Perfect. Perfect. Mundo. The cheese. If you're not that good at doing over easy eggs like I was, this Blackstone Griddle egg ring will make it easy, super easy. They come out perfect every single time. The only thing you gotta watch is don't burn it, but you got it. So this is it for this time. It was easy, it was quick. Hope you guys learned some. Get that Blackstone Griddle ring, makes a big difference. See you guys next time.